Now that you have access to the Oticon Intent marketing email templates, you can attach these to your marketing automation campaigns or use them within a manual marketing campaign. First thing you want to do is locate the templates. You can find these under your Setup menu, Templates, Marketing, Email. You'll see them listed here: Oticon Intent existing users, new users, and test and not sold. You'll want to update these templates by right-clicking and launching the template editor. This will open the template in a new window. Each template has a call to action button. You'll want to click on that button and direct it to a specific URL. Many practices are using their online appointment booking URL through Blueprint to attach to that button. You can find that under your Setup menu. Go to Scheduling, Online Booking, select Copy URL, and then paste that. So you'll click into your URL on your template and do a Control V as in Victor to paste. Then you'll want to click the Save button in the top right-hand corner. Once saved, you can preview the templates or send a test email to yourself. So you're going to go back to your Setting, Templates, Marketing, Email, find the template, right-click, and do Send Test Email or click Preview. Click on the Call to Action button to ensure that your URL link works. You can now attach the template to any of your marketing automation campaigns. So let's navigate to Setup back in Blueprint, go to Marketing Automation, and find the campaign you would like to use. Once you right-click on the campaign to edit the details, make sure you have the email campaign activated, and then change the email template from your drop-down menu here. I'm going to choose the Oticon Intent Tested Not Sold template to be used with this 30-day TNS campaign. You'll see the email template updated. You can likewise attach the Oticon Intent existing user templates to any of your hearing aid upgrade notification marketing automation campaigns as well. Remember, you're notified every morning as to how many print letters or how many emails have been sent. Clicking on those notifications on the left toolbar will open up your marketing center and show you where your marketing automation emails are tracked. Don't forget, the marketing automation report is an excellent report to run that will show you which patients have received correspondence from your practice but have not moved forward with booking an upcoming appointment. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.